hope you all are healthy. Still now we have seen 4 habits. Today we will be seeing the 5th and 6th habit. So come, let's watch the video.
5th habit. Seek first to understand and then to be understood. In this world, there are a lot of people. We see the incidents in different views according to the experience we have on that incident. There is a father and a child. The child is always being naughty and troubling her father. So the father is becoming upset and telling that the child is not understanding him. Instead, he can sit and listen to the child. First, we should understand what is the need of that child, why the child is making trouble. We should actually know what is the reason. So, we should first sit and listen to the child. When we go to the same phase of the child's mind, we can have lot of opportunity for the child to listen to us. Here we have one husband and wife. The wife is upset because of some reasons. So the husband is always blaming that wife that she is keeping herself upset and not understanding him. Instead, he can spend some time and listen to what is the actual problem of the wife. First, if he listens and goes to the same mindset of his wife, and then if he tries to explain the logical reasons, then there will be a lot of opportunities for his wife to understand. Listening will create a good environment to understand each other. Here we have one husband and wife. Husband is returning from office upset and late, and his wife is having some need from him. Since he is having some issues, he is not able to respond to his wife. So the wife is getting angry and complaining that her husband is not able to understand her. Instead, she can sit and listen to her husband's issues and she can go to the same mindset of her husband. When they both are there in the same mind phase, she can try to explain her needs to her husband, which will provide an opportunity for her husband to understand her. The understanding comes with listening each other. Instead of telling that others are not able to understand us, first we should try to understand others. 6th habit, synergy. Here one boy has participated in a dance competition and he is returning home in the thought that he should win it. He is meeting his friends and discussing about the competition. Everyone are giving their own ideas about the dance. One person is talking about the costumes to be used for the dance. Another person is telling him to smile and dance with the expression. Another person is telling him to look at the audience and dance. And another person is giving him ideas in selection of the music. And like this, many of them are giving their own ideas for the dance competition. So he has gathered all the information which is needed for him and he also implemented this in his competition. And also he has successfully won the competition. Instead of implementing with single aspect, if we do it in a group, then the success will be great. For example, here we have 2 of them. They fell inside a crater. They felt very tough to come up by their own. So, one of them climbed on the other and came up first, then helped the other one to come out. So now, both of them came out of the crater. So, working with a team or in a group will lead to a greater success. It not only helps in success, but also it will help in gaining knowledge from many sources. So, working with team will help you gaining knowledge and lead to success.
We have seen 5th and 6th habit now, which will help you to move to interdependent state. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Let's all live a healthy life. Thank you.